Hi, so today I'm going to quickly go over the different tools that you will have available to you while you are taking the LEAP 2025 for geometry this year. So this is just your regular pointer tool so that you can select whatever your answers are. This crossout tool will be very useful to you. So if I'm looking at this question and I realize, oh, it can't possibly be A or C, then I can cross those out to make it a little bit easier for myself. You also have the highlighter tool. This is really going to be useful for when you're answering word problems. I recommend highlighting important information and the question. You also have a sticky note tool. The sticky note tool will be useful for when you are unsure of the answers to a question and you're going to flag it for later. So I might hit the flag button and then say, I know that x is equal to 2. Need to find y. I can leave that. So that way, when I come back to it, I at least have a little information. Magnifier is helpful for if you just can't see something. So if you want to be able to see it a little bit closer up, I would use that. Line guide is mostly useful in English. You can't use it for this question, but it'll give you a little line to help you see what you're reading. And then the calculator. So calculator should be in degrees. You know it's in degrees because it says degrees right here. If it's in radians, you're just going to click this little button here that says degrees to radians back and forth until it says degrees. You have your sine, cosine, tangent. And then to get the inverse sine, cosine, and tangent, you're just going to hit second. And now it has that nice little -1. We also have pi, your square root function. So this one's your square root. And then, sorry, we were still in second. So see how it's still got second. Click on this first, and that'll bring it back to normal. So you have sine, cosine, tangent. You have your x squared. So if I wanted to do 5 squared, I'm going to hit that. You can also do it to any other power by using this caret. And then when you hit second, you'll have your square root. If you want to graph anything at any point, you're just going to click right here at the graphing tool. You can graph equations. So if they give you an equation, you can graph it. You can also plot points. So to plot a point, you're just using your parentheses, writing whatever the point is, and you can include a label. So if they tell you point A is at 2, 3, then you can label it and you'll see that on there. Once you're done, just hit this X and that'll disappear them. And then the reference sheet. So the reference sheet is where you have all of the formulas that you might need for area, circles, cylinders, all of that. So make sure you are using the reference sheet as well. And that's it.